Stop right there. We have an open house alert this Saturday from 12 to 2. I've got this gorgeous home in Plain City, Ohio that you have got to see in person. Join me and Michelle this Saturday from 12 to 2 at the open house on 10275 Tuscany Drive. Check the description. It's a beautiful property tucked away in the highly desirable New California hills. This home is a 5-level split with the first floor living area has an open concept living with tons of natural light, a beautiful kitchen with modern finishes and a large island, a cozy family room, perfect for chillaxing with the family. It has a great fenced-in backyard with patio and fire pit. Whether you're actively house hunting or just curious to see what Plain City, Ohio has to offer, swing by, take a look. We'd love to show you and answer any questions you may have. Stop by and say hi, or DM me if you have questions beforehand or just want a private showing. I'm Annette Marble with Key Realty, and we're keeping it real in real estate with Annette Marble. And